Things I lost straight away was my glove. Well, I found my glove, but I seem to have squatters. Ain't that just great? I have no idea what you lot find so interesting in my glove, but you're not welcome. Oh God, they're all over me now. You're not, no, you're not welcome to stay on my glove. How are we going to get them off of there? Yeah, bring it over. Meanwhile, the last 200 metres of path is completely impassable because a load of cows have been through here and they have totally destroyed what's left of the path. But as you can see, something's still here. Oh, I've got a funny feeling now, after preparing all that way up there to get us out, we're going to have to try and turn this bike around and go 20 odd kilometres that way, because there's 150 metres or so up there. It's just impassable. So people, what time? Oh, can't see the clocks. We don't know what time it is. Oh yeah, we could. No, I can't be bothered, to be honest. I'm just completely foobarred at the moment. 10. Okay, it's 10 past 10 in the morning. What time did we start up here? 4 o'clock, wasn't it? 4, something like that. Well, we're here in the jungle, and it's hideous. Nothing like a bit of adventure though, eh? Right, let's have a good old tea break and then we can start to work out how the hell we're going to get out of this mess. And she's going to retrieve what we've thrown up in the jungle there. Alright, later.